Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through how to install and set up your Podio Actions Automation for workflow apps. Once you're in your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. Click on Install. Click on Allow and Install. Once your app has been successfully installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentations. Under the tutorial, you're going to have access to the SmartQ video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the configuration walkthrough video that is going to help you on how to set up the app. We have the setup. At the level of the setup, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected. But no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect the app. First thing, you're going to copy your redirect URL. Head over to your account online. Once you're here, click on your profile icon. Click on account settings. Click on API keys. You're going to enter the application name. And here you're going to paste your redirect URL. Once you're done, click on Generate API Key. After clicking Generate, your key will be created. So you're going to copy your client's ID. Head over back to your account. Click on Start Setup. You're going to paste your client ID. Go back to your Podio account. Copy your client secret. Head over back to your account. Paste your client secret and click on Complete Setup. As you can see, our app has successfully been connected. We equally have the support center. At the level of the support center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a video call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of the change log, you're going to see the necessary notifications about the new updates or changes concerning the app. And in order for you to receive these notifications, you're going to turn on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you install and set up Podio app with ease. If you encounter any issue, our support team is available 24/7.